Okay, it's Tuesday, May 31st, just showing you, following up on Tesla, the 750 put, showing you I bought it at 25.89. I just sold some of the position at 31.30 to set up a no-risk trade, and price is continuing to move lower, and I was able to, just use this opening action to take profits. And set up a no-risk trade just in case we don't follow through to the downside. So now it's just easy to watch it. Again, if we continue lower, again, I'm looking on that daily chart. It looks like we took out the 50% point of the prior day. So that means we should project down to new lows. That's what I want to see happen. I want to see the 15-minute chart kind of head, down red, maybe just have brief pauses, if nothing else, maybe one little push up a little bit. But at some point, I'm expecting continuation lower until that changes. And I can see I kind of have the midpoint of that first red bar. That'll change the whole structure of the day. If we head all the way back, if we just fail down here and continue higher, maybe at that point, we're just going to continue. This is still a 2-up day. So while I'm looking for a failure, given the opening price action, maybe that doesn't happen. And instead we just, this is the low of the day. It's possible. And then we continue higher. And at that point, I can just exit the rest of the trade at break even and have a small gain on the day. So hopefully, for me, hopefully it continues lower, but it's, you never know. And we'll see how this day now, ends up, and we'll see if the week, you have a 2-up week. So maybe this is just a brief start to the week on the downside, and by the end of the day, this turns green. And then we have a 2-up week, and we can project up to these highs, and Tesla's heading higher. Maybe then we end the month here today, and maybe we started a whole new move to a 2-up month, given that we brought in lower here, we took out the lows of 3 months ago, earlier this month. So it's a lot of possibilities that can happen. Of course, I wanted to head down now, but you never know for sure. And that's why I have a no-risk trade setting up. So I'm going to watch that 15-minute chart. The structure of that will kind of tell me a lot in terms of, or how the rest of this day goes in terms of what's going to, probably take place going into next month.